Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Surface model and current OS. This avoids driver mismatches. Once done, enable any developer or power user options needed to access advanced GUI features, because the interface exposes extra controls only in that mode. Plug in a USB-C cable and an external keyboard or mouse for precise manipulation. Make sure you're signed in with an administrator account so changes persist. Now open the Settings app and navigate directly to Surface or System sections to continue. You'll now tailor the GUI for usability. Open Settings and go to Display to set scale, orientation, and multiple display behavior so text and controls read correctly. Next, customize the taskbar and start layout to surface the apps you use most, and tweak touch and pen settings to reduce accidental taps. Install or verify Surface drivers through Device Manager or the OEM Update utility, because proper drivers ensure gestures and pen pressure behave predictably. After changes, sign out and back in to apply layout and input adjustments. Finish by saving a system restore point or exporting your configuration so you can revert if needed. This is your safety net. Then test common gestures, pen pressure responses, and keyboard shortcuts to confirm the Surface GUI behaves as expected. If you see lag, missing features, or erratic touch input, make sure drivers are current, then roll back the most recent update or reset the specific GUI settings rather than doing a full reinstall. One quick tip: reboot in safe mode to isolate third-party conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.